Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to make a group on Snapchat. In order to do this procedure, first of all, update your application. In order to update, go ahead and open up your Play Store and then on the search box, type in Snapchat. If the application is completely updated, then you'll be able to see open, or instead of that, you'll be able to see update, then update your application. Once the application is updated, click on the open button and log into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your Snapchat account, tap the chat button from the bottom left hand side corner. After that, to create a group chat, click on the circle blue icon located right at the bottom. Now from here, tap new group. So you can add up to 200 members at one particular group. So go ahead and type in the username or the contact to whom you actually want to add it on Snapchat. So give a name to your group, and once you've done that, click on chat with group. As soon as you do that, the contact will be added to the group on Snapchat, and now you can chat on Snapchat group. In this way, you can make or create a group on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.